Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elena Vibes. Clearly I'm like a few years late. So in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of the BioFace facial mask machine, which I just got my hands on about a week ago. So I'm super excited. And in the next video, you guys will actually be seeing me make a face mask using this machine. So today we're just unboxing the front of the box. On the side of the box, it has all of the instructions, and then of course there's an instruction manual inside as well. On the side of the box, it has some more how to use instructions. So we're just gonna open this up like that. This is so satisfying. Protective packaging right here. So first I'm going to take out the actual machine, the main components. This is what it is. This is what it looks like. I will say this is very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about this huge, heavy machine. I'll compare it next to my water cup. This is like the size of a regular Starbucks cup. This is how big it is. So it's really not that big. It's like the perfect size. I have no idea how this works, so we're going to go through the instructions together, but I'm assuming this is where you pour the water and ingredients that you need to use to make your mask. I'm assuming this is the button that you push to start it. And this is the power button. And I'm sure once you press the power button, this light will come on. I'm just assuming, you guys, like I said, I've never used this before. I've never even really watched detailed videos on this. So we're learning together. This is where you plug it in. This is where you'll plug in the adapter. So far, this is looking pretty simple. I was a little nervous at first, like, oh, like I just have a strong feeling this is gonna be like a whole 20-step process with a whole lot of parts to put together. It's pretty much, there's no assembly required, and we love that. This is the adapter. The cord isn't super long. Actually, hold on, let's look. I wanna see how long this cord is actually. Might as well. A little bit longer than arm's length. This is my hand up here at the top. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to show you guys how long the adapter cord is to be able to put it on your face, the collagen. And then of course, you know, collagen is very good for your skin, for your body overall. You can use an extension cord just fine. So if your outlet is not close to where you want to make your mask, just get an extension cord and problem solved. The quality of this adapter, like, it does not feel flimsy, it does not feel cheap at all. So far, everything is feeling very much premium, and we love that. Let's take this out. Okay, so this is a little cup. It goes up to 100 millimeters, and it has the spout so you can pour. I'm assuming this is just so you can pour things in here neatly. I love how they pretty much thought of everything that you would need, and I really appreciate that. So now we have this brush, and basically it just looks like a bottle brush, a baby bottle brush with a little handle. You can hang it up if you want to. Good quality, and this is to keep your machine clean. So again, you open this up, and I'm pretty sure you use this to clean it out. In the instructions, it did say that you can use a juicer and juice your fruits, squeeze your fruits and get whatever juices out of it and pour it in here. Or you can actually chop up your fruits and veggies very finely and put them in here. So I'm assuming that this bottle brush is very necessary to making sure that you keep your face mask machine clean and gunk free, because the last thing you want is for those fruit and veggie pieces to start building up inside and start to mold, because nobody wants to put moldy masks on their face. We have this little spatula right here. And based on the videos that I've seen on TikTok and the few videos that I have seen, this is to help pick the mask up out of the tray. Next, we have this little box. On the front, it just says BioFace, the evolution of clean beauty. Collagen, so these are collagen tablets. And basically this is what turns the water and the fruit extracts and all of that good stuff. This is what turns it into that jelly-like mask to be able to put it on your face, the collagen. And then of course, you know, collagen is very good for your skin, for your body overall. If you run out of these, I'm pretty sure you can go on this website, www.biofacecosmetics.com, to order some more collagen tablets. But I have also seen them on Amazon, you guys. So if you need a refill on your collagen tablets, you can go on Amazon, go online, and you can get some, and I'm pretty sure you can buy them in bulk. I want to see what these collagen tablets look like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's completely sealed, so you just tear from either end. And it just says product name, collagen tablet, BioFace Cosmetics. It contains 6 pieces. Warning, do not eat this. This is not food. Basically, like they said, you just need 1 collagen tablet per mask. So close that up. Take this part of the packaging out to see what is hiding underneath. We have the instruction manual. This I did actually look at beforehand, and you guys, this is more than an instruction manual. If you go out and you purchase this facial mask machine or any other brand, definitely take a look at the instruction manual. The instruction manual is not only going to show you how to set up your machine and how to get the best use out of it, but this instruction manual on the back is an entire beauty book. How cute. Like, how convenient is that? They literally have tons of different fruits and vegetables and all of the benefits for your skin. Very end, the last page, it has combinations of different fruits and veggies and the benefits of that mask. I mean, how perfect is this? So let's just look at a couple. Here we have the wolfberry mask. You can make an apple mask. This is very useful. I highly recommend keeping everything that comes in your box because you never know what valuable information they will be providing for you. Before we move on to the last thing in the box for our unboxing video, you guys, I want you to comment down below and let me know some face masks that you would like me to try out. Let me know in the comments below what mask you guys want to see me make. The main tray, this is what the face mask machine will pour the mask mixture onto, and then you let the mixture sit on this tray, flat of course. You let the mixture sit on this tray, and I think it says it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the mask to set and get in that jelly-like form from the collagen. And then you use your spatula. Then you use your spatula to go around the edge of the mask and use it to help pick it up. That way you're not digging your hand in it trying to tear out the mask and then you end up messing it up. This spatula right here, this is very much necessary. So that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a little something from this unboxing. I definitely recommend going out and trying this out. Stay tuned for my next video. I will be trying out a face mask, probably using kiwi. Also, comment down below and let me know if there are any other products, gadgets, and tools that you all would like for me to unbox, to try out, to save you all the time and the hassle and the money. So don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't joined the Lives family already. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications because I don't know if you guys have seen, but I have been back on a posting spree, okay? So go ahead, turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram, _AlenaVibes. Follow me on TikTok, you guys. I've been making a little noise on TikTok. So go ahead, follow me on TikTok, AlenaVibes21. All of my information is linked down in the description below. And if I can find the link for this specific face mask machine, I will link it down below in the description if I can find it either on Walmart or Amazon. I can't promise you that I'll find the exact link for this one being $7, but I will try my hardest to find it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.